Hello, this is Kirk Fisherman. Welcome to Fren Nature. This is our first episode. I'm going to take you guys to this famous museum of trees and leaves called Cale Arboretum, and we're going to look around. This place was built in 1969. Lots of good stuff to see. Let's go. During the times with the Vietnam War, the war actually was here. Here, this is a memorial of all the Vietnam soldiers who died and risked their life to protect this arboretum. All right, come on. This is Hoyt Arboretum. This guy, he was the leader of the squad. A Hoyt Arboretum, indigenous in this area. If you actually smell it, it smells like mint. Watch this. You see this twig? They're actually a mushroom. Very, very dangerous. Very, very toxic. Argonum. Come on. I know it's fucking weird.
Which motherfucker hit me to pay?
Right here,
I'm demonstrating. Living this.
Fuck out of here. They had to climb these goddamn trees.
Fuck off! I'm trying to live my goddamn life. I don't need to be filmed all the time.
I'm not the one who's doing it. It's a character, assholes.